This was a case of moderate myopia undergoing SMILE. Femtosecond laser application was completed. The hooked end of the dissector was used to open the capside cut. Same instrument was used to facilitate small anterior plane pocket creation. It was further used to delineate the posterior plane pocket on the other side of the side cut. Ridge sign was used to confirm the creation of two pockets. The sign was again appreciated when the arm of blunt dissector was gently nudged at the junction of dissected and undissected halves. With the appreciation of this sign, we were sure that the blunt dissector had entered the anterior lenticular plane first. The anterior plane was dissected. Thereafter, the posterior plane was dissected through the posterior channel. The lenticule was brought out with the micro forceps after completing the dissection. Graphical video shows beautiful description of sign confirming correct plane dissection, that is anterior plane prior to posterior. Showing you another case. As a routine, initial anterior plane pocket was created on one side and posterior plane pocket was created on the other side. Once the blunt dissector was introduced, there was absence of ridge sign with increased resistance noted at the initial step itself. This confirmed lenticular misdissection, that is unintentional initial posterior plane dissection. Lenticular edge on one side was gently scratched with the hooked end of the dissector to find the anterior lenticular plane. Once the plane was identified, one could notice the separation of lenticule from the cap. Thereafter, blunt dissector was used to dissect the anterior lenticular plane followed by posterior plane through the posterior channel. The lenticule was brought out with a microforceps after completing the dissection. Graphical video shows absence of ridge sign confirming lenticular misdissection, that is unintentional initial posterior plane dissection.